Okay, so as we look at question 4, prove that sine squared theta plus 45 minus cos squared theta plus 45 is sine 2 theta. It's worth pointing out there are a number of different ways that you could work through this question. I actually did it a way that I think not many of you did, but I would say that the left-hand side of this one, so the left-hand side, which is sine squared theta plus 45 minus, that's 45, cos squared theta plus 45. My first instinct with this was to say that looks to me very much like sine squared A minus cos squared A. Well, that is minus cos 2A, because cos 2A is cos squared minus sine squared. Do you remember that's one of our identities? So my first instinct for that was to say that the left-hand side is equal to minus cos of 2 times theta plus 45. And I went straight for saying that. Cos, that is minus the cos of 2 theta plus 90. And now I'm going to use my cos A plus B formula. That is minus cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So it looks like that. The cosine of 90 is 0. So that is the minus of cos 2 theta times 0. The sine of 90 is 1, so minus sine 2 theta. We've got the negative of 0 minus sine 2 theta. I've maybe done too many lines here in the end, but that's equal to sine 2 theta, which is what we wanted, wasn't it? Which equals the right-hand side. And that was the way I did it. A number of you expanded sine theta plus 45 and cos theta plus 45 correctly, and then squared those expansions, and then collected like terms together, and that produced the same result and was just as good a way of doing it. So fine, whichever way you choose to do that. And that's good, so that's maths.